they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? If you can read the title, which I hope all y'all can, you know what I'm saying, because education is damn near free from elementary school to high school. Today we are picking up, well, we ain't picking it up today, but we're pretty much already done with pretty much the deal, and we're gonna be going to check out what do you want? What? So yeah, pretty much this is a done deal. We're gonna be going to check out this car. This is, I'm not even gonna give y'all too much detail on it. Y'all will figure out things as we go on. It's kind of be like a little jigsaw mystery puzzle on this car. I'm gonna leave y'all thinking for a little bit until we get to it. Y'all are gonna see the car, so please bear with me. Don't fast forward. Don't go looking for shit to see what it is. Just wait, bear with me, watch the video through, and then it'll all make sense as we go. So the car that we're picking up is a 4-door car. It's a photo. I'm gonna be taking a lot of this stuff right now. I'm gonna be taking it to White Aaron's because I need my garage space back. So I'm gonna take all this LS3 swap stuff, this stuff that was gonna be going on Nita's 350Z. But you know, right now we really need to go like get a family car. So we're looking at these new I'm like, I don't want to tell you all that because that's gonna be another video. So yeah, we're looking at a new car. It's a 2022, somewhere 2020 to 2022, but that's not the car we're going to get today. But we are, you know, looking for an actual full-on family car. But I'm gonna be taking this stuff to White Aaron's. That way I can have all my driveway space back, or my garage space back, and then my notchback will be back home permanently. So I just want to get as much of this cleared out as I can. But yeah, man, we're going to White Aaron's, and after that I'm gonna be showing y'all the car that we about to be getting. We finally picking up a 4-door, adding a 4-door to the channel. This will all make sense shortly. But anywho, let me start throwing this stuff in the truck. Y'all can hear it back there idling right now, warming up. Throw this in the Turbo Rado, and then we're gonna be out. Finally adding a 4-door to the channel, man. I think this is my very first 4-door build actually. If you look, currently my C6 2-seater, my C5 2-seater, Nita's 350Z that's usually here that ain't here, 2-seater, the FD 2-seater, 300ZX a 2-seater, my notchback 2-seater, the supercharged notchback a 2-seater, my SC300 a 2-seater, fuck the truck a 2-seater, so my 350Z a 2-seater, so everything here is a 2-seater. So I mean, other than the Versa, but that's Nita's like little company car they gave her. But we're finally doing a 4-door build. Finally, I'm finally gonna be building a 4-door car for y'all on the channel, and this is something I actually been wanting to do for a minute. It was either between, I mean, I'm not even gonna tell you that because I'm not be hitting to it too much. Anywho, let me load this shit up. I'm talking too much. Let me load this up. All right, so the rest of the stuff right here, this is stuff for the VR30 370Z. That is something I get asked about so much, is the VR30 370Z. I literally messaged John from Z1 like, yo, I need my ECU, bruh. So we'll see what direction we end up going with that car. You guys know that I was saying that I wasn't gonna vlog it, didn't want to post it or anything like that. It was gonna kind of be like the undercar for me. But these are all parts of that car. I got the Y pipe, the exhaust, the down pipes and all that stuff. Then this is the LS3 swap kit for the supercharged coupe for the future. And then yeah, it's just a mixture. And then some of these little parts right here, you see the melon stuff, this stuff right here, this is all stuff for the truck. When I get ready to do a 6.0, I was like already buying the stuff. So once this little 5.3 goes, then we'll be 6.0 swapping this thing and making more power. So I'll always start gathering parts and stuff. Yeah, put that up there with you. That's a shifter. But all right, we out. Let's go drop the stuff up at White Aaron's, and y'all get to see the new Whiz-Zip, the new car. What's up, Black?
How you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah. I guess we could stagger right here.
It was good.
What's up, Kyrie? What's up? Putting you to work or what?
Oh no, his grade's back up.
Oh.
He got both.
Don't flash that.
Yeah. You shouldn't. It shouldn't have been that way. No way.
Yeah. Let it go down.
It's like a B and a C now, C plus or something.
C still is crappy.
Yeah, it better get to a B before that report card come. I'll put you on punishment for 3 summers. Nah.
3 is crazy.
You'll be off punishment when you finish high school.
That's not that much.
Man, I think this is everything. I'm pretty sure that little square box is the drive shaft.
I hope so. If not, I don't know what kit you got. You get it
So
all?
should we show them the new car?
Oh, yeah.
They ain't seen it yet.
Oh, absolutely.
So the new car is here. It's actually one of Aaron's clients.
Yeah.
Aaron hit me, was like, bro, I got the perfect family car for you.
Yep.
And then
Dude, that was the first thing I thought of too. I was like, oh, I got this. This is in the bag. You've been looking for it. Here we go. Here we go.
so normally if it was anything else, I probably would be like, nah, I'm cool, but like this is one of those deals that's like, bro, it is way too clean to pass up. Way too clean to pass up. So I'm gonna show y'all what the new whip's gonna be. So new little family car, and I'm not saying this is gonna be the family car that I'm driving Granny around in and everything. I mean, well, if it's just me and Granny and stuff like that, we will be driving this, but we're still buying a brand new car for the baby and everything. We're going like full family stuff. But if it's just me and I got Kyrie with me or something, and we going somewhere with the baby, then it's like this will be the car that we'll be taking or something. You know what I'm saying? Like something I can still pull up in, have fun with, but still a 4-door. And yeah, so this is the new family car. And I know y'all thinking like, oh, bruh, it's a G, like you've done this so many times and blah, blah, blah. Trust me, I know. But, bruh, like look at how clean this is.
Hey, he's over there talking shit about the paint.
On what? He tripping. Like, look at how clean this thing is. This thing was owned by one of Aaron's clients. It's like a older dude. Hey, is he the original owner or second owner? He's the original owner.
Yeah.
Bruh, look at how clean this thing is. The only thing that this thing has an issue is this.
Clear bar on the headlight.
Yeah, some clear bar right here, but we can heat that up, pull that off, and then... Hey! Aaron, I know what this is now. They clear brought the headlight.
Oh, it might need to just be...
This just needs to be pulled off. Yeah, it's clear bar on here.
Nice.
Look, it's chipping.
Oh yeah, I know somebody who can get chip paint off. Sorry, bro.
So the reason why we brought the LS3 swap stuff here is because we're gonna be LS3 swapping this.
I mean, if they didn't see that coming, like,
Yeah, we're gonna be LS3 swapping this.
it's a V or it's a mini V. So we got a mini V. You show them the inside?
Nope, dude. This was the selling point for me. Look at, I've never seen a G this clean, bro.
It's immaculate.
Look at how clean this is. Steering wheel ain't all weathered away. Look at the dash. Dash is all clean. No rips on the leather interior at all.
Yep.
Fully loaded Bose sound system. Sunroof, like full Bose back there.
I'm telling you, bro.
Look, 6-speed.
Factory 6.
Factory 6-speed. Look at how clean the back is back here. Again, 0 rips, 0 tears. Look how clean the emblem is still on the back. Like, it doesn't even look like anybody ever rode back here.
Bro, that's like the crazy thing. Look at even the mat on the front. Like, you know how you normally have the heel point? You
Yeah,
don't even have any heel wear in it. It's like, it's crazy. Crazy.
stupid clean. Like I couldn't pass this up. Like, look at how clean this is, man. Original 6-speed, 1 owner. Look.
Drop it. Nice wheels. LS swap.
Oh yeah.
Ultimate cruiser.
So the plan is the LS3 swap this. Pretty much an NA build. Aaron looked on the LOJ. They offer a wire harness that works with. You use their accessory brackets. Use the factory AC pump. Lines still stay the same. AC still works. Everything that functions from the factory inside will work. So when you look at it, you'll be just like, oh, so lower G35 on wheels, but then it has a beefy ass LS3 in it.
Yeah, and then you turn it on and everything changes.
So this will be like my 500 horsepower NA family mobile right here.
Sick.
And I was not looking for a G, man. I thought about the idea of it, but I was like, I've already done a bunch of LS stuff, and I was like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I was looking for an IS300 so I can Jay-Z swap it, but this came up, man. It's too clean to pass up, and it's stupid cheap. One owner and the price is like insanely cheap.
Yeah.
Like you can't even get a clapped out G35 for the price this thing's going for.
That car does not have a Ghostbusters logo on the side of it.
Which one?
The white one that's in the front of it.
Look, you see how clean this is, and then look how clapped out this one is. Clapped.
Hey, but to
Clean.
be fair, that fool drives the shit out of that car.
Lodge car
That
still
is-
clapped out.
Yeah, I mean, sorry,
Dude,
Mike,
he-
man, I'm trying.
Lodge is my boy. That's what I'm talking about it. But God, Lord knows this thing is clapped.
What the?
All right, hey, that was on video, right? So I don't get knocked for that.
Dude, it's bro. Who built my Kraken? What is this? Is this paint or is it supposed to be a wrap?
No, I think it's
It's paint.
Yeah, with a bunch of Bondo. Look at the rear over fenders. They're
That
like all
rust is
molded
crazy.
ish.
Yeah.
This is a street sweeper though. Yeah.
That thing's gonna be sick. And I already know people. You've done it already. So many LS swaps on the channel, bruh. This thing is clean. I'm gonna lower this thing on wheels, LS3 swap it, and probably a lip kit or
And
something.
you know what too? LS swaps are like, yeah, they're a dime a dozen. Everybody does them and stuff. But besides the other one that I had here, how many G35 sedans are you seeing LS swaps?
None.
None. Right.
None.
So it is gonna be like kind of one in its own. Like I can think of probably 5 if I look through my Instagram.
And before anybody says all the LS stuff, I want y'all to really think. If you've been here since day one and you see how I drive, you've seen the motors that I've blown up. Out of everything I've blown up, 10 SRs, fuck. How many VQs? Like 4 or 5 VQs. I'm on this about to be my third or fourth 2J. Third, I think it's my third 2J. And I've yet to blow up an LS3. Y'all haven't seen me blow up one LS3 on the channel. And my 350Z makes stupid power. The C5 or the C6 makes stupid power, and they've had 0 issues. I still have not blown up an LS3 to this date. And those are my top 2 fastest cars next to my SE300 when it comes out.
And mine's stupid reliable too. We drove it down to Southern California, beat the hell out of it, and drove it back.
Yeah, we're gonna LS3 swap it. It's too clean. It's so clean.
My car's gonna be sick. Lightweight jealous.
So yeah, you know what I'm saying? LS swaps.
Yep.
This is reliable. Even look at the truck.
Hey, I'm sorry, it's not a Lambo door Honda.
All right, Honda with Lambo doors. That's what he like.
That's not what I like.
Hell yeah, I'm juiced. I'm ready. I already got new headlights in there. Even though I see the clear on there is just messed up, but we'll do the nice headlights.
Brand new ones, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go.
I think dude's coming down Wednesday, and then
You know what I'm gonna do too? I'm gonna buy fill coilovers for my 350Z, the blue one, and I'm gonna take the BCs off of that and put them on there because they have a higher spring rate.
good idea.
So I'm ready. You ready?
My car's gonna. Hell yeah, I'm ready.
Damn it! I gave away all my LS3s. Now I can't find one.
I'm gonna find one.
I need one. Hopefully you guys are gonna like the 4-door, man. This is my very first 4-door build. All right, so we're just getting back to the house. Also want to touch bases on, a lot of y'all know that I did build a G35 previously. So if you go through the playlist, you'll see the old G35 that we had. And when I had got rid of that car, man, Aaron knows that was a car that I like super regret getting rid of. Like that's kind of part of the reason he was like, I got the perfect car for you, because he knows that I've been looking for another G35. So I wanted to get another G35, and instead of having 2 LS 350Zs, I wanted to do this 350Z, which was the LSA, and then I wanted to have the G35 version of it. So when Aaron hit me up for the 4-door, he knows that like I wanted another coupe, but you know, due to the situation now, a 4-door just be super ideal. And I think it'll kind of be like on a standout factor, because you don't really see a lot of LS3 G35 sedans. So that's kind of like where it's at. I know it ain't for everybody. I've been contemplating on if I even wanted to vlog it or even really show the process on it on the channel. It's kind of like wanted to do it as like a bam, one done, don't show nobody it, just have it done and be like, all right, here the car's done. But I don't know which direction I'm gonna go, but I know I'm going to be LS3 in this sedan. Realistically, I think if I can find another LS3, get the cam and everything put all in, make sure everything's all fresh, I think realistically once I have everything that's needed, it'll probably take me a month at most to finish this, because I know Aaron can knock the swap out in about probably like a weekend or something. It's just a matter of getting everything forward, and it's really gonna be one of those builds that just comes out super quick. I don't want it to take long. So yeah, man, with all that being said, we're gonna wrap it up. Let me know how y'all feel about the new G. I'm definitely interested in seeing what y'all think. Do y'all want me to vlog the process? Do y'all want to see it? If not, I'm not tripping, because it's a car for me. But let me know what y'all think. I know a lot of y'all complain about the LS3 stuff, but hey, man, 700 horsepower, detuned C6, 800 plus horsepower, dog it. I be dogging it. Still ain't broke that thing. 700 horsepower 5.3, even a little 5.3. Still ain't broke that thing. And then when we come to the C5, that's a 402 stroker, so it's an LS2 base. LS1s and LS2s suck, so I definitely had some issues with that. But motor-wise, the motor's been cool. We just had some electrical issues, so yeah, man. I used to hate LSs, but you can't argue the reliability factor of the LS motors. And for something that's gonna be a 4-door family-like cool car, it just makes the most sense to put an LS3 in it. So I know people probably, I put a JZ in it. Like I have the whole swap kit for it, man. So sorry if some of my fans are gonna be mad and upset about the LS3 sedan, but you know, I was looking for a G8. The one I seen just didn't work out for me. All the G8s in this area are just clapped out. So I'm gonna wrap this up, man. Love y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, rocking with your boy always. Y'all already know. Till next time, baby. We out.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fucking niggas hating on, I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's down.